You know, my creative friend, in a small village where the air smells of soil and rain, where morning began with the bird song and evening end with lantern light, there lived a simple tradition, a tradition made not of gold or silver but of jute. Jute, a humble fiber grown from the earth, soft yet strong, simple yet powerful. For generations, this golden thread was part of everyday life. Simple people call it art back then. They called it living. Every year, when the monsoon clouds arrived, farmers planted jute seeds with hope in their hearts. They knew that these plants would grow tall, strong, and useful. After months of care, the plants were harvested, washed in river water, and dried under the warm sun. From nature came a fiber that carried a story within it. In one such village lived a woman named Amina. Amina had learned jute crafting from her grandmother. Her grandmother used to say, Beta, jute is not just a rope, it is a patient toiled into beauty. Amina would sit near the window every afternoon, sunlight falling on her hands as she twisted, knot, and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. So, Amna would sit near the window every afternoon, sunlight falling on her hands. As she twisted, knotted, and shaped jute fiber into something meaningful. A basket, wall hanging, a lampshade. Each piece was simple, but every knot carried love. Was made Amna's craft special. Was not expensive tools, but creativity. Old bottles became vases, broken pots became planters, unused fabric became decoration, wrapped in jute. Everything looked warm, earthy, and alive. She believed that nothing is useless. It only needs a new idea. Jute is kind to the earth. It is biodegradable. It returns to soil without harm. It does not poison water and air. While the world struggles with plastic waste, jute quietly offers a solution. Through jute craft, people learn to decorate their homes without hurting nature. Slowly, Amna's craft reached nearby towns. People loved the natural textures, the rustic look, the handmade touch. They say they did not feel like factory workshop. They feel like home. Jute wall hangings started appearing in living rooms. Jute basket replaced plastic boxes. Jute decor becomes a symbol of simplicity and sustainability. During festival, jute transformed into magic. Xmas ornaments made of jute, New Year decor wrapped in golden fibers, wedding decorations soft and elegant. Lights shone brighter against the natural brown texture of jute. It proved that beauty does not need glitter, sometimes it just needs heart. For Amina, jute craft was not just decoration, it was dependence, it was confidence, it was self-respect. She started teaching other women to gather, laughed, learn, and created. Their hands told story, their craft carried dreams. Every jute craft whispered a message. Respect nature, support handmade, choose simplicity, reduce waste, create with love. In a fast world, jute reminds us to slow down. Today, when you decorate your home with jute, remember, somewhere a farmer planted that fiber. A woman shaped in it with care. Nature smiled as it returned to earth. Jute is not just a craft, it is a connection between hands, hearts, and plants, and the planet. From soil to soul, this is a story of jute craft. If you want to watch more videos like this, more crafting ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your comments and your opinion is very valuable for us. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness together. And I said, very boy, you want to have in your life. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. In a world that moves fast, where machines work faster than hands, and plastic replaces nature, there still exists a quiet, soulful art, the art of handmade craft. Jute craft teaches us respect. Respect for nature, respect for resources, respect for effort. In a single piece of jute decor, there is no noise, no rush, no pollution, only calm, balance, only harmony. craft also gives dignity to hands that work. Behind every handmade item is a person, a dream, a livelihood. When you support craft, you support creativity, you support small artisans, you support traditions that deserve to survive. Just craft is more than decor, it is a lifestyle that says, I care about what I bring into my home. A lifestyle that whispers, simple is enough. As we decorate our spaces with jute, we decorate our lives with mindfulness. A jute coaster under a cup of tea, a jute mat under their feet, a jute planter holding green life. These small things bring us closer to the earth. Craft teach gratitude. Gratitude for hands that create, gratitude for nature that provides, gratitude for simplicity. In a quiet moments of crafting, there is healing. Stress, fears, thoughts slow down, creativity flows, craft is therapy, craft is meditation, craft is self-expression. And jute is honesty. It does not hide behind colors, it does not demand attention, yes, yet it captures heart. As trends change and seasons pass, jute remains timeless because nature never goes out of style. So the next time you see a handmade jute piece, pause for a moment. Feel its texture, notice its imperfections. Imagine the hands that made it. That is not just an object, that is art with a heartbeat. Craft is not old-fashioned, craft is forever, and jute craft is where art and soul meet. Craft and creativity has no limit. Creativity has no limit. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Jute born from the earth, touched by water, dried in the sun, and shaped by human hands. Every jute thread carries a journey, evergreen fields to warm home, from raw fiber to timeless beauty. When a person holds jute in the hands, they are not just holding rope or fiber, they are holding nature's gift. Craft teach us something modern life has forgotten: slow down. When hands wave jute, time slows, breath becomes calm, and the heart feels space. There is magic in watching something simple turn into something beautiful. A plain glass bottle becomes a vase, an old jar becomes a lamp, waste turn into wonder. There's the power of crafts. Craft does not need expensive tools. It needs imagination, it needs love, it needs belief. Jute craft reminds us that beauty does not need shine, it needs soul. Each knot tied in jute is a promise of durability, each wave is a symbol of strength. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. Ibrahim, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. हेलो इब्राहिम, बात सुनो. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. जी मामू, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.